Is your Nintendo Switch stubbornly refusing to connect to the internet, leaving you stranded from online battles and crucial game updates? Let's get you back online with these simple troubleshooting steps. First, let's perform a simple restart. Hold down the power button on your Switch for about 3 seconds, then select power options and choose restart. This often clears up minor software glitches that might be affecting your connection. If restarting didn't work, navigate to System Settings on your home screen, scroll down to the Internet option and select Internet Settings. Your Switch will then begin searching for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list. Make sure you're entering the correct password. Double-check for typos, as even a small mistake can prevent the connection. If the problem persists, let's check your DNS settings in the same Internet Settings menu. Select your connected network. Then select Change Settings and scroll down to DNS Settings. Change this from automatic to manual for the primary DNS. Try using Google's public DNS, which is 8888 for the secondary DNS. Use 8844. Save your changes. If you're still facing issues, the problem might be with your router. Try power cycling your router by unplugging it from the power outlet, waiting about 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. Once your router is back online, try connecting your Switch again. Finally, if none of these steps work, visit Nintendo's official support website. They have extensive troubleshooting guides and facts that can help you resolve more complex connectivity issues, or you could contact them directly. Hopefully, you're now back online and ready to game.